Let's learn to make a quick, easy, and tasty chicken fricassee. In Brazil, fricassee is different from the original dish, which included chicken, mushrooms, mirepoix, and wine. So you can make fricassee however you like and also use the ingredients you prefer. This is the way I like it. I'm going to start with the corn cream. This recipe is tasty, practical, and can be served as a side with other dishes. I'll leave all the quantities used in the video description. Just click on Show More. Saute half an onion in butter until it becomes very soft and translucent. Add a can of corn with its water and seasoning. Let it boil for 2 minutes on low heat. Add a box of heavy cream and blend it in a blender or with a mixer. Adjust the salt and set aside. For the corn cream, I used this natural salt-free seasoning, so I added salt at the end. If you don't have access to this seasoning, you can use half a chicken bouillon cube or half a packet of the powdered one. You don't need to add salt. Taste it to see if you like it. Now let's prepare the chicken, the base of our fricassee. Saute half a chopped onion with a little olive oil. Add 2 chopped or crushed garlic cloves and then add the cooked and shredded chicken. Now add a tablespoon of mustard, a tablespoon of tomato paste, a cup of milk, half a cup of chopped mushrooms, a jar of creamy cheese spread, 2 tablespoons of grated Parmesan, and mix well. Adjust the salt, add black pepper, and finally add the parsley. Keep on low heat until very creamy but not too liquid. Place the chicken in a serving dish, cover with corn cream, top with shoestring potatoes, and it's ready to serve. Did you like this recipe? Give it a thumbs up below to show your support, and see you in the next video.